Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. My KOBALT right angle impact wrench. 4 amp ultimate output. Removing a big leg, thick leg. Okay. RIDGID right angle impact wrench, 1/2 inch, 3 amp octane battery, fully charged. This is faster. 250 foot-pounds. In Shop Tool Reviews, had this at like, I think it was like 210. Torque Test Channel needs to test this to see what it really puts out, but it beats this. It beats Milwaukee too, because they only make the M12 version. If Milwaukee makes an M18 version of this, it'll probably do 300. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.